What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jabet. If you're a returning subscriber too, thank you so much for coming back. So today, as you can see from the title below, I'm actually traveling to Ankara from Istanbul. I am going for my friend's daughter's birthday. That's on the 1st, and also I am going to be making her cake and also taking my documents, some school documents, to go get them stamped. So yeah, I'm going to get her cake done. I am so excited to see how this turns out, you guys. I probably will be filming the process of making a cake. This is my 3rd birthday cake, and this one I am up for a challenge. So yeah, let's get going before I miss my train, guys. I'm actually using the high-speed train from Ankara to Istanbul, so stay tuned and watch this vlog. Bye. See you in the train station. I have to go. Bye. Madam, what are you doing with your pillow? We are at the train station already. We made it on time, so we are waiting for the train to come right now. Yeah, then we start the journey. You guys, so the train just arrived. It's actually late, but I am going to my wagon right now. I am not sitting at the same place with my roommate. B6. Come on. I am sitting at the last car, the last wagon. So you are sleepy. Voila. Bye bye. Okay, so guys, that's where we separate at. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just left. We are on our way, and it's actually dark outside, but I can't show you anything right now till later. I hope I get there safely. So yeah, see you guys later.
Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección. Ahora ya no quiero buscar tu otro cuero y nada. Te amo forever. Tu inglés malo, dejarte ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta.
Hi guys, so we just stopped at the first station. So, and the next station will be Ankara. We are at another place city called Eskişehir right now. So we're stopping here for like 2 minutes, so those that are getting off will get off, and those boarding will board, and then we'll be off to Ankara. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. So probably you would see a montage as we go on.
Tendré nadie como tú, baby, esa es la actitud. Cuando dices que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Tú sabes que
We just got to Ankara safe and sound. We'll be getting down now and be taking a taxi to my friend's place. So yeah, I'm so excited to see our baby. Guys, so I just got off. I'm waiting for my roommate. I don't know where she is. Where is she? I don't know where she is. Okay, she's here. Madam, where are you sleeping? Didn't I? When I saw your text, I thought you were already outside. I'm funny answer between. The train would have gone again. You go back to Istanbul. You didn't born. Turkish people, no one will wake you up. I'm not text. Madam, are you asleep? Wait. Okay. Madam. Are you asleep? Fuck that Oman movie. Alright guys, so we are at the house safe and sound. They're doing some work there, that's why you can hear the sound. But yeah, we go home safe and sound, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I don't want it to be too long. I'll show you. I probably will vlog, do a video of me like making the cake. I probably will do that, but if not, there will be reels on my Instagram. You can go ahead and check my baking page down below, or the link will be in the description box. It's where I document my baking journey and yeah, my progress over time. So you can go ahead and check my Instagram page and also check out my official Instagram page, and yeah, let's support each other. You can get to see, I think, a day-to-day life, although I don't post a lot of my stories, but on my baking page I post some recipes there or some things that I bake. You can go ahead and follow me there. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till the end of this video, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you think about this video. Have you been to Istanbul before? And have you used the high-speed train before? What do you think? Like, comment down below. Let me know if you have used the high-speed train before. This is my second time of using it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. See you in my next video.